Hello students, this is for class 11th top in the subject informatics practices, topic components of computer, subtopic computer memory, types of computer memory. So student, in first video I told about the primary memory. Now we will talk about the secondary memory, the storage unit. Here storage unit, you can say that is the secondary unit, secondary memory. Students, as you know that primary memory is limited, that means it stores data in a limited size. It doesn't store very bulk of data. So to store big amount of data we need extra memory, that is the secondary memory. We need some extra memory, that only is called secondary memory, and that purpose is filled by secondary memory. Here it is given that computers need to store and retrieve data for processing. Since primary memory has a limited storage capacity and is not permanent, means in the primary memory your data is not safe because it's a temporary memory. So secondary storage devices are used to store large amount of data permanently, because secondary storage are non-volatile memories. There are various types of secondary devices available these days. Now here given that to specify the storage capacity of storage devices, that is secondary memory, we have the same units, that is the kilobytes, the megabytes, the gigabytes, same units which are used to measure the primary memory. That unit only is used to measure the secondary memory also. So let us first talk about the hard disk. There are many secondary memories, many storage devices like hard disk, floppy disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, Blu-ray disc. So let us first talk about hard disk. HDD, hard disk drive. Hard disk. The hard disk memories store information on one or more circular platters. I will tell by drawing a figure after this. First listen. So the hard disk memories store information on one or more circular platters or disks which are continually spinning. These rotating disks are coated with a magnetic material and stacked with space between them. The information is recorded on the surface of rotating disks by magnetic heads as tiny magnetic spots. These heads are mounted on access arms. Information is recorded in bands. Each band of information on a given disk is called a track. Here it is given, you can see concentric circles on the magnetized surface of the magnetic disk are known as tracks. Sectors. The tracks on the disk surface are divided into invisible segments called sectors. Here once again you can see the heads are mounted on access arms. Information is recorded in bands and each band of information is known as a track. The tracks are commonly divided into pie-shaped sections called sectors. In most systems, the minimum quantity of information which can be transferred is a sector. You can think of tracks as concentric circles and sectors as segments marked on tracks. Now I draw the figure. You can see, suppose this is a disk. In this, the circular part, this circular band is known as track, and it is divided in small segments like this. These small segments are known as sectors. From here to here, one sector, there second sector, then another sector, then another sector, like that The small segments are sectors and the circular bands are tracks. Now here further given that a motor rotates the disk at a rapid speed. Data are recorded on the tracks of a spinning disk. Means here the read and write head is fixed, and this disk keeps rotating always. It keeps rotating like this, and when it is rotated, the read write head either writes the data on the disk or reads the data from the disk. Next storage device, that is compact disk, abbreviation is CD. The compact disc or CDs are optical media. The CDs are relatively cheap and have a storage capacity of up to 700 MB. There are three main types of CDs: CD-ROM, CD-R and CD-RW. CD-ROM stands for compact disc read only memory. This is used only to store information. Listen carefully. CD-ROM is used to store only information, not the data, and cannot be used to store data. Manufacturers use CD-ROMs to record information including text, graphics or audio on the CD distribution. For example, the encyclopedias, softwares, games, movies, e-books, these are stored as information on CD-ROMs. CD-ROMs come with a reported speed. Let us learn what it means. Reported speed like 20x or 48x. What does it mean? If a CD-ROM is having a reported speed of 48x, it means x means 150 kbps. So here 48x means 48 into 150 kbps, means at a time it can be forwarded or it can be rewinded by 48 times of 150 kbps. Here you can see 48x means that it can operate at 48 times of kbps, 150 kbps. That means 7200 kbps, and represents times. X represents times of 150 kbps. CDR, what is CDR? Compact disc recordable. Now it is for data. Data can be recorded on these discs only once. The CDRs allow you to write on one part of the disk one time and another part at a later time. Each part of CDR can be written on only once and disk can't be erased. Means it is the type of disk in which the data can be recorded only once. After that it cannot be erased or the data cannot be written again. CD-RW, it stands for compact disk rewritable. It is an erasable disk. It is an erasable disk you can write on multiple times. CD-RW overcomes the disadvantage of being able to write on them only once. Means CD-RW is the best type of disk in which you can read the data, record the data, as well as you can erase data and read many times. Means it is rewritable, in which you can read or write or delete whatever operation you want, you can perform. Next, DVDs. DVD is an optical storage device that looks the same as compact disc. It is just like CD only. The difference is that CD is of less capacity and the DVD is of higher capacity. Nowadays there are SD, that is also called super density disc. So DVD also is of three types, just like CDs: DVD-ROM, DVD-R and DVD-RW. Everything is same as CD, only the size is different. Like in DVD, one side one layer is the capacity 4.7 GB, one side double layer 8.5 GB, 2 sides one layer 9.4 GB, 2 sides double layer 17 GB. Rest everything is same as CD. DVD-ROM stands for digital video disc read only memory, and DVD-R stands for digital video disc recordable. DVD-RW stands for digital video disc rewritable. Next is pen drive or thumb drive, also called flash memory or USB drive. Another kind of storage device has recently emerged. It is called flash memory, USB memory or key memory. The thumb drive or pen drive and cell phones of today use flash memories. What it does is to combine a well-tried memory technology called flash with the convenience of the USB connector. Flash is a solid state memory, remember. That is, it has no moving parts, unlike magnetic storage device. Like hard disk has a magnetic storage device in which the disk keeps on rotating. But in solid state memory, the disk does not rotate. Instead, it works in a similar way to RAM. The key difference is that data is retained in flash memory even when the power is switched off. Means in the flash memory data is safe, permanent, but in RAM data is not safe. Today there are many kinds of pen drives, from cheap to very expensive. It starts from 250 rupees onwards, and the size also differs from 256 MB to 128 GB. Next type of memory is Blu-ray disc. It is the latest technology in the field of memory in computer. It is also known as BD. BD stands for Blu-ray disc. It is the name of next generation optical disc format jointly developed by the BDA, that is Blu-ray Disc Association, a group of the world's leading consumer electronics, personal computer and media manufacturers like the companies Apple, Dell, Hitachi, HP, JVC, LG, Mitsubishi, Panasonic, Philips, etc. Many electronic companies together have developed the next generation optical disc, that is BD, Blu-ray disc. This has been developed to enable recording, rewriting and playback of high definition videos, that is HD videos, as well as storing large amount of data. The format offers more than 5 times the storage capacity of traditional DVDs. Means it has the storage capacity 5 times more than DVD. That means DVD can hold 4.7 GB, but BD can store 25 GB. If a DVD can store 10 GB, then a BD can store 50 GB. 5 times more than DVD. Thank you.